Okay, hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay, and today I'm gonna show you how to color or tint your eyebrows yourself using beard dye. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is my first time doing this, so you're gonna learn with me as I go along. So this is the brand Just for Men. I got it at Walgreens and I got the color Real Black. It looks easy, it only says 5 minutes, so I'm excited. The first thing I'm gonna do is tweeze my eyebrows because look at them. They're just not very clean. And that's gonna mess up the shape, so I'm just gonna tweeze them really quickly. I'm gonna do this off camera, so I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay, so they're as clean as I can try and get them. Kind of lazy with cleaning my eyebrows, so this is as good as I can do them. So the next step is to put something around the eyebrows to protect the skin because we don't want the skin to get colored. So I'm just gonna use Vaseline and then my concealer brush. Just like gonna go in there and then conceal around my brows with the Vaseline. Okay, and it'll help make cleanup a lot easier after that. Okay, so this, what comes in the box, you get these two little thingies. So one is the developer and one is the actual color. And then it comes with some gloves and then this little tray to mix everything in. Okay, I'm gonna read the instructions. Okay, so I'm gonna put my glove on. Who has hands this big? Okay. Glove on. Okay, so the first step is to squeeze the color base onto one side of the mixing tray. I'm gonna change views so you guys can see me do this also. Okay, so I'm putting a line of a line of the color base along one side like they said. I don't know if that's enough, but we'll see. Okay, and then the next step is to squeeze about the same amount of the developer on the other side. I tried to even out those raggedy lines. Okay, and then the next step is to mix these together. The box comes with a brush, but I lost the brush. But I don't recommend using it anyway. It's not thin enough to like do your eyebrows properly. Okay, and then after you mix it, they say to like start applying it ASAP. So I'm using a makeup brush. This is a flat brush. I also was debating using a smaller brush. Okay, actually I'm gonna use a small flat brush, and that's what you should use also. Just to like really make sure everything is clean. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Fingers crossed, pray for me. Okay, so they say to start where the beard is darkest, so I'm gonna start where my eyebrows are darkest, and that's at the end here. holding my breath left because I'm so scared. Okay, so I'm getting it out of the lines, but that's okay. As soon as I'm done putting it everywhere, I'm just gonna go and clean off the product wherever it touched my skin. I have a napkin on my table that I'm just using to clean off the brush in between going back into my brows. Okay, this is the product on my eyebrows, and now we just have to wait 5 minutes. So I will be back in 5 minutes. Fingers crossed, guys, that it looks okay. BRB. Okay, I'm back. So I actually waited 15 minutes because they said if you wait longer than 5 minutes, it's gonna get too dark. And I was like, that sounds good to me. So I waited 15 minutes and now here we go. I'm gonna wipe it off. They say to wash it out with shampoo, but since it's my eyebrows, since it's my eyebrows, I'm just gonna wipe it off. Okay, moment of truth. Oh my god, that's crazy. Oh my god, it literally looks like I just filled in my brows. Oh my god. Oh my god. That looks so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I'm gonna wipe off the second eyebrow now. So here's my clean baby wipe. Oh my god. I'm so amazed. Here's a clean spot. Okay, so there's no more product left, and this is how it is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you guys see these eyebrows? Oh my god. Oh my god, how come I've never done this before? Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't have to fill in my eyebrows anymore. It's clean, so there's no more product left on there. I'm still gonna wash it out with shampoo, but look, oh my god. Oh my god. That worked so well. That worked so well. Oh my god. I can't wait for you guys to see this video. This is like the coolest thing I've ever done. I'm so happy. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna end this video here. You guys see how great it looks. Literally, I bought this for like $8 something at Walgreens. Get yourself one so you could save time doing your eyebrows. This was so easy. It's so easy. It's a joke how easy this is. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. Please try it. If you do your eyebrows, try it. And they have so many different colors. I got the Real Black M551. Try it guys, try it. Try it. Okay, I hope you really enjoyed this. Please subscribe, share, comment, tell me your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.